Now, what do I have here? I have building blocks. Now, we are all familiar with building blocks, right? We use it to play, we use it to build different things. Now, what if I tell you we can use this to teach mathematics? You shocked? Now, welcome to my math class. So, for today's class, using our building blocks, we are going to be learning how to calculate the area of shapes. Now, what is area? Area is the amount of space taken up by a 2D shape. That's a flat shape. So we are looking at a flat surface here. Now, to start with, we are finding the area of this rectangle. Now, how do I know this is a rectangle? A rectangle has the opposite sides equal. So the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4, 4. They are both equal. Then here we have 1, 2, 3 here. And here we also have 1, 2, 3. They are also equal. So this is your rectangle because the opposite sides are equal. Now, when you have a shape, the longer side is called the length. The longer side of your shape is called the length, and the shorter side is called the breadth. Now, for your rectangle has 2 lengths and it has 2 breadths. So we have 2 lengths for our rectangle and 2 breadths for our rectangle. Now, to find the area of our rectangle, we are going to multiply. So it's very important for you to know that area has to do with multiplication. So to get the area of our rectangle, we multiply our length by our breadth. Now, what's our length here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Our length is 4. And what's our breadth? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have our 4 multiplied by 3. So what's our 4 multiplied by 3? That is 12. That is 12. Now, using our building blocks, we are going to check if we are correct. We are going to check if our answer is correct. So we are going to count everything we have here. And if it's 12, that means we are correct. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12. So we can see that the area of this shape is 12. Now, it's also important for you to know that our area is calculated in square units. Our area is calculated in square units, so it can be centimeters square or it can be meters square. Now, let's look at this example. So we have to find the area of this shape. Now, what's the length? The length is 5 centimeters and the breadth is 3 centimeters. So that means we have 5 centimeters and we have 3 centimeters. So to find the area of this shape, all we need to do is to say our length multiplied by our breadth. So we have 5 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters, which gives us 15 centimeters square. Now, to make this really interesting, you can have your student build these shapes themselves. So you don't have to do the building yourself. You can have your student, you can share the building blocks among your students and have them build these shapes, build the squares, build the rectangles themselves. Now, this is a square. Now, how do I know this is a square? Because all sides of my square are equal. Now, let's confirm that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So all sides of your square are equal. And what does that tell us? That tells us we have 4 lengths. Our square has 4 lengths because there is no longer side and there is no shorter side. All sides are equal, so we only have 4 lengths. So to find the area of your square, you just have to say this side multiplied by this side. This side multiplied by this side. That is your length multiplied by your length. Remember, when we get the answer, we are going to confirm if truly we are correct. Now, what's the area of this shape? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4. And what's 4 multiplied by 4? That is 16. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Now let's confirm if we are correct. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you can see the total surface of this shape is 16. Now let's use this as an example. So remember what I said, our area is usually calculated in square units, which can be centimeter square or meter square. Now look at this example. We're only giving the measurement of one side, but not to worry, we already know that all sides of our square are equal. So if we have the upside at 7 centimeter, that means we have 7 centimeter here too, 7 centimeter here, and also 7 centimeter down. But to find the area, we only need 2 sides. To find the area, we only need 2 sides. So we're going to say length multiplied by length, which is 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter. And what does that give us? That gives us 49 centimeter square. If you are going to be teaching your children the area of shapes, you can make use of their building blocks, have them build the shapes, then you explain the concept, and it's really good starting out area of shapes using building blocks. Because when they get their answer, it is very easy for them to confirm if their answers are correct by adding all the sides together. By adding all this together, it becomes very easy for them to confirm if their answers are correct. So now when they are dealing with the abstract form, where you just have to draw the shape, it is very easy for them to recall, to relate with it, because you've taught them using something they can play with, using something they can hold, using something they can see, and using something they find really fun and interesting. Bye.